Good morning, welcome back to Wildpod X. Bitcoin is now trading at $101,000. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has pushed through key psychological resistance levels. And now the big question is whether it can hold above $100,000. Right now, all eyes are on the daily candle closes. If Bitcoin can consistently stay above this level for a couple of days, it could signal the next leg up in this bull run. Today I want to talk about the stock I recently started adding to my investment portfolio, Block, which trades under the ticker SQ. Some of you might still remember it as Square, the payment company founded by Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter. Square originally made a name for itself by offering small businesses an easy way to accept credit card payment. Over the years, it has expanded far beyond that. It is now a fintech powerhouse with exposure to Bitcoin, digital payment, and financial service, making it one of the more interesting stock to hold, especially in this market cycle. I've used Square personally in my previous business, and I found it to be very user-friendly, and I really like their product. But another reason I like Block is its direct involvement with Bitcoin. Unlike traditional fintech companies that are still hesitant about crypto, Block has fully embraced it. Their Cash app allows users to buy, sell, and send Bitcoin effortlessly. And if Bitcoin adoption continues to grow, Block will benefit directly from that. Jack Dorsey has also been a long-term Bitcoin advocate. Under his leadership, the company has been investing in Bitcoin development, including projects related to the Lightning Network and self-custody solutions. And Block isn't just about Bitcoin, it has built an entire ecosystem around digital payment and financial service. Cash App has become very popular in the US, especially among young users. Their Square ecosystem provides payment and business solution for merchants, which is still a core part of their revenue. They also own Tidal, the music streaming platform, which fit into a broader vision of combining fintech with creator economy. The company is highly innovative, and that's something I always look for in long-term investment. As bullish as I am on Block, there are always risks. Regulatory uncertainty remains a big one. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate fintech and crypto companies, and stricter regulation could impact Block's ability to grow in those areas. Competition is another concern. While Cash App is popular, it still faces strong competitors like PayPal, Apple Pay, and even traditional banks entering the digital payment space. Needless to say, market volatility is another factor. Fintech stocks tend to be more sensitive to macroeconomic conditions. If there is another downturn, Block's stock price could take a hit. Despite these risks, I see Block as a company that is well positioned for the future. It is not just another fintech stock. It is one of the few public companies that has fully aligned with Bitcoin adoption and financial decentralization. That is why I have started adding it to my portfolio, and I'll continue to accumulate over time. Let's talk about today's news. The first news. Reports from Bloomberg suggest that Trump's administration is planning to make cryptocurrency a national priority. This could mark a significant shift from previous regulatory approach in the US. Trump expressed way more openness toward crypto compared to the Biden administration, which was known for a stricter regulatory stance. If this executive order goes through, we could see clearer regulations for crypto industry, potentially benefiting Bitcoin exchange and company operating in this space. This could also open doors for way more institutional adoption and even discussion about how the US positions itself in the global crypto economy. The second news, a well-known crypto trader Alex Becker said that $150K price target for Bitcoin is way too low of an estimate, with the potential of Bitcoin go much higher if macro conditions align. As we discussed in yesterday's episode, the 4-year cycle theory suggests that Q3 and Q4 2025 will be the peak of this cycle. If Bitcoin follows its historical trends, maybe 150K is not even the top. Third news, Phantom, a popular crypto wallet for Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon, has just secured another $150 million in funding, pushing its valuation to $3 billion. That is a strong sign for crypto infrastructure still attracting major investments. Despite past bear markets, wallet providers like Phantom play a key role in making DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain applications more accessible. And also, this is another example of how Web3 development is continuing to evolve behind the scene, even as prices dominate headlines. Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, stay invested, and I'll see you tomorrow.